Welcome to this video on addition. What is addition? Addition is taking a group with a certain number of objects and adding another number of objects to that group. And the total number of objects in that group now is called the sum. So here's a representation of it. Say we have a cookie with 4 chocolate chips. 4 chocolate chips. And we're combining 4 more chocolate chips into that cookie. Combining is addition. So we add, let's add 4 more chocolate chips. Equals is the total number of objects now in this group that it gives us. How do we find this? So first, we take what is originally given to us, which is a group of chocolate chips in this cookie. And now we are combining these 4 chocolate chips into that group right here. So we take these 4 chocolate chips and we combine it in this group. Now, how many chocolate chips are we left with in this cookie? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolate chips. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's see another example right here. So we have a container with 2 pencils inside, and we combine 1 more pencil inside this container. How many pencils are in this container in total? So first let's write this out like we did here. So there's 2 pencils already present, so 2. We're combining a pencil in, so we're adding 1 pencil plus 1 equals, so how many total number of pencils are in this container? So let's again represent this by taking the original group, putting it here, and then taking this pencil and combining it in this group right here. So now how many pencils are we left with? 1, 2, 3. 3 in this container. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that is a visual representation of addition. So now let's look at a more mathematical way of doing these problems. So here we have 4 plus 4, which is the same problem we had here. So how do we represent this on a number line? So we start here with 4, because we have 4 right here, and we add 4, which means we move it to the right on the number line by this much, which is 4. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 gave us 8 right here. Is that the same as this value right here? Yes, it is. Let's try with this problem now. 2 plus 1. So we start with 2 right here on the number line. Start with 2. Then we move to the right by 1 because we're adding 1 to the right by 1. And we are left with 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3 in that case. Is that the same value we got up here? Yes, it is. So there's 2 ways to do it. You can picture it by combining a number of objects in the same group, or you can do it by counting to the right on a number line and finding that value. Let's look at some practice problems right here. Let's do 6 plus 4. How would we start this problem? So we start with 6 because the first value given to us. 6 right here. Then we move over to the right by 4 because we're adding 4 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 4 got us 10. This equals 10 right here. So let's look at a similar problem. This was 6 plus 4. This is 4 plus 6. Let's use the same method we used earlier. So we start with 4 right here and move over to the right by 6 because we're adding 6 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that gave us 10 equals 10. So notice these 2 numbers are the same as these 2 numbers. All we do is switch places and it gives the same value. So that is another property I want you to know. Changing the place of the values gives us the same total in addition, no matter what place. So in summary of this video, addition is just when you take a number of objects and you combine them with a group that already has a number of objects right here. So this already has 4 objects. We're combining 5. We end up with 9 chips in this object. And we can also represent it on a number line. So if we start out with 6, we just have to move to the right by 4, which gives us 10. If we start out with 4, move to the right by 6, which gives us 10. Check the link below for more practice problems on addition. Over time, this will get easier and easier to memorize, but right now this is how I want you to think about it and do it.